5 minute right conversation with the right person, doing the right thing, getting. Yes, welcome back. For the past couple of weeks now, we've been talking about mediocrity. So today we are trying to have a conversation about the reason why we should talk about mediocrity and the research for mediocrity, or the course I've been given. Like, I kind of call it a course because I feel I was learning from it so as you. So the research, so to say, that was the word I was supposed to use. The research I've been doing got educated me more than you persons watching it, and I got to discover. I started becoming meticulous about the actions I take, the beliefs I conform myself into, ideas and limitations. I discovered that mediocrity most times comes from the aspect of fear and playing it safe. It's good to play safe, but most times it's actually wiser to take calculated risks. And mediocrity, it's one thing I found in the environment I was born, I was raised in the continent I was coming from. It was due to fear entitlement mentality, where you feel the government owes you, the family owes you, the society owes you. Yes, the government is supposed to do his or her work, but in a situation whereby the government is not doing his or her work, are we going to put all the responsibilities on them? Take full responsibility of yourself, your beliefs, all what you're fighting for, your dreams, your lives, your goals. So mediocrity, it's something we should fight against and nurture a spirit in our offsprings that are going to kick against mediocrity. The fear, we should try as much as possible to mind the persons we listen to, mind the conversations we have with persons, learn how to filter. Most times people transfer their fears to you. Don't be in that circle of living a life as a result to the total sum of the people or the persons around you. Take a calculated risk. There's one thing I discovered on the long run, as I was doing studies, and because I love right knowledge, I must confess. As on the long run, I discovered that there's still nothing to lose. If I don't do it, I'm still going to regret not doing it. Sometimes it's good to take a calculated wise step. It's good to take a calculated wise step and discover it was actually not meant for you, than for you to be living in the atmosphere of fear and thinking of just to try as much as possible to take full responsibility of yourself, of your mental mind, of your career. Your responsibility, you are your responsibility. The government, the family you're coming from should not determine your imagination, should not determine the level you should stop. Yes, it contributes, but you have everything in your capacity to fight to any level you want to fight to. Mediocrity is something that has been roaming in our society, and we just keep quiet about these things. Mind the kind of persons you listen. I'm not saying you should be stubborn. Listen to persons, respect them, listen to, but sieve some information. But you cannot become successful without taking a risk. You cannot become successful in life. Stop playing blame games. Stop. I always try to imagine this thought whenever I'm doing something. I believe everybody is a solution to a particular problem. So don't allow mediocrity, the fear of going to end at some point, stop you from trying to get advice from professionals in the field. Get advice from the persons that in the field, get their experiences. Yes, most times we might be striving for something, think it's meant for us. You cannot have a conviction until you take a necessary step. So be careful of persons you listen to, be careful of circles you are rolling with. All these things are what makes up our mind. Be careful. Your society, your family should not determine who you have to be. The beliefs of your environment, the belief of where you're coming from, the continent should not determine who you're supposed to be. You can be the change in the system. Nobody knows. 5 minute right conversation with the right person, doing the right thing, getting the right information is going to help you. So I love what this channel is making me become. I love what it's transforming into. I still beckon on you to like, subscribe, share, so much people is going to know about this. If you feel this content is positively affecting you, you can do more and share. This is not just to be kept, it's to be shared around. Once information can be sent to the proper persons, it will help to bring solutions. I don't know who is watching this. I don't know if you're going to be the next biggest thing the globe is going to be celebrating. I don't know if you're the next biggest solution to Africa. I don't know if you're the next biggest solution to your country. So share. When it comes to positivity, share. Remember, most times you should filter. At all times, have an open mind. At all times, you should filter. Sometimes you need to filter information you get. Our system can be so biased that it can be as a result of fear. The way the social media has manipulated things has contributed to a large extent too. So please, I would love to say thank you for staying put. I'll see you in my next video.